I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode, I tackle a different term or trick to teach and guide you through the journey of real estate. This is episode 59, and we're going to be talking about making your offer more attractive to sellers. We are very much in a seller's market for the last year or so. If you're a buyer, you have to do all you can to make your offer stand out. One of the ways you can do that is not ask for closing cost assistance. Sellers are going to feel this immediately. If you don't have cash to close, are you really a ready and qualified buyer? Think of the seller's bottom line. A $300,000 offer with $10,000 in closing cost really looks and feels like a $290,000 offer. Number two, offer due diligence money. Due diligence is money you place in the seller's pocket from day one of the accepted offer. It shows the seller you have skin in the game and that you are a serious buyer. But keep in mind, this money is not refunded if you walk away from the deal. So make sure you can afford to lose it and if you end up having to terminate the contract. Number three, make your due diligence period shorter or get to the closing table quicker. This is tough to do when the banks and inspectors are booked up, but if you can keep the deal shorter for the seller, it makes them feel better about taking the home off the shelf while you're moving to the closing table. Number four, offer more than the asking price. The current market is super competitive, and even just a few $1,000s over asking price could move the needle in your favor. Bonus bit of information, an alarming trend for me, even as someone who spends more time on the selling side, is the buyer's willingness to waive inspections. I highly advise you to never do that. An alternative is to have the inspections done so you know what you're buying, but not ask for repairs. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a ton of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also find me on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media sites. Be sure to like and subscribe on each so you can stay plugged in and updated on all things real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.